Hello there, welcome to our channel Login News again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to fix Messenger's emoji problem or Messenger emoji not showing error in Messenger app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Messenger app first. And if you want to send somebody emojis, and if you're not being able to access all these emojis like you normally do, then there are 2 or 3 fixes you can try to do that. Let's go. You must first be sure that if the Messenger app of yours is up to date or not by going to the Play Store. Let's start with the Messenger, and you can see the Messenger is not currently updated. So if you have this kind of update problems, let's just update it. And it has been updated. Let's open it. And even after updating, if you can still use the emojis, then you need to install a third-party plugin which is called the Gboard. And let's go to our Google Play Store and let's search for Gboard keyboard. It's the one. Let's install it. And after installing let's open it up. So let's enable it in settings, and you can see the Gboard multilingual typings toggle icon is off. Let's tap it on. Okay, and let's select the input method. Let's change it to Gboard and let's say done. And now basically this Gboard app will be interacting with each of the social media platforms you're using, or each keyboard on phone. So let's go to our Messenger app again, and now you can see the keyboard has been changed to Gboard. So now if you had any emoji problems before, and these all will be available to you. There guys, this is how to fix your Messenger's emoji problem. If you have any questions or comments regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.